channel, and in today's video we're going to be testing a non-glue slime recipe. Recently in my other video I actually tested it, but I didn't get to show you guys the results. By the way, the results are actually fake, and we're going to be testing another one, but it's going to be toothpaste again, but it is not toothpaste, it's just salt. So yes, let's move on to this. You will need a container, so you made slime in this one, that's why it's all greasy. You will also need a mixing tool and toothpaste, water and all of that, and we're going to start now. So first you're going to add some toothpaste into your container. So I'm just going to cut the video. I added it, now you just got to give it a mix apparently. Just mix it. Right. Yeah, a little. Okay, now we got to add water. By the way, cold water. But I only need a little bit. Okay, this is testing, okay? Well, this is not very realistic looking so far, but next, let's see what's next. You could add colour into yours, but I'm not. Next, you're going to add hot water with salt. So just grab hot water and mix some salt with it. By the way, it might be noisy, but while I'm boiling my water, I added a little bit more toothpaste because it seems a little bit unreal, this recipe. So I added more toothpaste. There's like no difference. So yeah, we just gotta continue. Not too much toothpaste, or what are you gonna brush your teeth with? A toothbrush, and you need toothpaste on your toothbrush, so yeah. Continue mixing this. I got my hot water, now you gotta add some salt. Not much salt. Now we're going to mix this with the salt, so the salt blends in. Now you're going to add a teeny bit of this. There you go. Now you just got to continue mixing. I added like so much. It's literally just liquid. Okay. Just mixing apart when I'm finished mixing. I've been mixing for 5 minutes straight. It's done nothing. He added kind salt after that. Oh, he did not add this much. Oh no. Okay, he did add a lot, I think. Okay, there. Okay, now we're just going to leave it in the fridge for 10 minutes and we could check on it. So, okay, it's been 10 minutes in the fridge. We're going to unwrap this. Give it a little quick mix. Okay. Guys, this is not working. Yep. I expected it not to work. Why is it so liquidy? How would it work? Yeah, this doesn't work. Do not do this. We're going to be trying one soon. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Soon I'm going to be trying another one, and we're going to see if that one works. So, bye!